Hi and welcome to the channel. This video is perfect for beginners who want to use an Arduino controller for a simple project. Okay, so in this video we're going to learn how to connect our Arduino Uno with a breadboard and a set of LED lights. So this is our little treasure, the Arduino Uno. It's the most commonly used Arduino board and can be used for a massive range of projects, from total beginner to many things advanced. These are the pieces that you'll need for this project. Firstly, a breadboard, and then 4 cables, 3 resistors of 220 ohms each, and 3 LED lights. You'll also need a USB cable to link your Uno to your computer. You can see the links below to purchase these items at Amazon USA or at Amazon UK. Alright guys, so let's get started. Okay, so now take your first cable and put one end into the ground socket in your Uno. Now put the other end into your breadboard, as you can see here, like this. Right, so with your first cable attached to the ground socket, you're now going to attach the next cables. Attach one to socket 13, then one into socket 12, and the last one into socket 11. Alright guys, now we're going to need to take care of our LEDs, and that means we need to put some resistors in so that we don't burn these LEDs out. Attach the resistors like this. The best resistor for this project is 220 ohms. You'll need 3, one for each LED. Okay, so now we need to attach our next 3 cables to the breadboard. You can put them next to the resistors like this. So let's move on to our LEDs. You'll see that each LED has 2 metal pins. The shorter pin is the negative end, and the longer pin is the positive end. Okay, so you need to put the negative short end next to the resistor and the longer end next to the cable, like this. Okay, excellent. Now our breadboard is all finished. Your setup should look like this. Okay, so before we continue to the last step, you need to make sure that you've installed the Arduino software into your computer. You can see the link to Arduino below. We can watch this short video that shows us how to set up the software. Next, we need to get some power into our Arduino Uno board. Attach your USB cable to the Uno and to your computer. The last step is to upload your code to get our LEDs flashing. You can get the code from the link below. Save it to your computer, then attach your Arduino to your computer. Upload the code into the Arduino Uno. You can do this in the same way as you would upload any file into any USB device. Right, with your Arduino Uno connected and your breadboard all set up, you're going to see all your LEDs lighting up like this. Congratulations guys, you're there now. Well done, excellent. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click on subscribe to see more upcoming videos and solutions and to enjoy your Arduino experience. Thanks guys, see you next time.